At RealPro 77, we provide our agents with technology and tools that are powerful and effective, but easy to implement and use. A real estate company is basically a marketing company. The fact that we are marketing real estate is almost incidental. To make it in this business, you need to become a master marketer. The recipe for success is that you must market yourself to acquire leads and customers, then market your listings to generate buyer leads and get your listings sold for top dollar, then market your success to grow your business and attract even more customers. We also implement online transaction management and smart automation. So as you grow, managing your marketing and transactions does not become a time-absorbing bottleneck in your business. It is a cycle, and when done properly, you can grow it quickly and make it scalable. Your success is our success. That's why we provide everything you need to succeed.